Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So, very pretty Volvo Xc60 2.4 D5 SE Luxury Nav Geartronic Automatic 4-wheel drive 2014, 94,000 miles, cam belt replaced by Volvo at 85,000 miles, covered 94,000 miles. Must admit, I've driven this, you would not think it's done. It doesn't look or drive like 94,000 miles. Okay, 2.4 diesel, speed sensitive steering, heated front seats, leather trim, daytime running lights, rear park sensors, aluminium roof rails, DAB radio, Bluetooth, £9,995. Got good service history, had the cam belt done. Really lovely condition, D5 all-wheel drive. Pirelli Scorpion tyre, another Pirelli Scorpion tyre, not hardly any stone chips at all, for 94,000 miles, it's lovely. Daytime running headlamps. Inside, got the Volvo fitted carpet mats, off black leather throughout, no wear on anything or the leather seats. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, automatic, rear park sensors, load covers in there, electric memory driver's seat, mats, fitted mats are in the back as well, the Volvo carpet ones. Has a space saver spare wheel. It's got a power tailgate, this one. Polestar engineered. Polestar badge. Okay. So, luggage guard, Volvo boot mat, obviously like new underneath. And under here there is spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, toolkit, alloy wheel locking key. All there, and obviously press the button and the power tailgate closes. You see the rear park sensors, obviously Pirelli Scorpion tyres as well this side. Pirelli Scorpion, paintwork really nice for the mileage, for 94,000 miles, and it drives beautifully as well. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, as I say, electric memory driver's seat, leather in lovely condition, automatic lights, that'll focus, just say auto, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for your phone, heated leather seats, electric driver's seat, fitted mats. £9,995. Remember, good history and cam belt replaced by Volvo at 85,000 miles. Lovely thing that. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, our website, to see our other cars in stock. Probably got more than one XC60. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. If you subscribe to that YouTube channel, you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will then be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.